Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am back again with another eye makeup. In today's video, I will share with you a sparkly peachy brown eye makeup. So without further ado, quickly jump into the video. First, I'm gonna use Kryolan Professional Base as eyeshadow base. I'm gonna use this on my eyelid. Today I'm not going to use any loose powder over my eyeshadow base. So directly move on to the first shade of eyeshadow. I'm taking this light peachy pink shade and I'm using this very outer edge of my eyes. Next, I'm going to mix these two pink shades and apply this on my outer corner to inner half of my crease line. And then I'm blending it with a fluffy blending brush. To give it my crease area more depth, I'm going to use a light brown shade from outer corner to inner half of my crease again. Now I dip my brush in a chocolate shade and I'm going to use it outer corner. And then after that I will add some burgundy shade to outer corner and mix with the chocolate shade to give it a nice smooth blended look. And again blend it all with the fluffy blending brush. Then I'm using that same base on middle of my eyelid. Top of this base, I will add some champagne shade. Then I'm using a little more chocolate shade to outer corner. I'm gonna mix these two glitter shades together and apply on my eyelid. But before that, I have to apply some two-way gel. After that, place the glitters on eyelid with dabbing motion. I am using some black kohl pencil in only upper lash line and waterline. Top of that kohl, I am dabbing some black eyeshadow. I am using this muted pink shade for my lower lash line. From inner corner to half of my lower waterline, I will like to use some nude kohl pencil. And for my outer corner, using some black eyeshadow. Now I coat my lashes with mascara. My eye makeup is almost done. Then I will wear false lashes. And after this I will like to add a little more lipstick. For lipstick I'm using only lip liner today and it is very light pink nude shade. this makeup will look very classy nude with hint of pink and little sparkly eyes. I always like nude makeup, and if you are someone like me, I am sure you also like this makeup. So if you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up and share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Until then, bye.